अब हम बात करेंगे द कोर अप्रोच और द स्ट्रैटेजी वी यूज टू सॉल्व both type of questions, both type of command of evidence questions, whether they are textual or quantitative. So first is clarify the claim. Ask yourselves, what exactly am I being asked to prove? Rephrase the claim or conclusion in simple terms. Focus on keywords or data points in the statement. Identify the goal. Is it proving an effect, showing a trend, or supporting a belief? The step 2 is to predict the ideal evidence. Before looking at the choices, think, what would the perfect proof look like to me? For text, would it be a quote, a behavior, or a fact? For data, would it be a trend, a jump, a comparison, or a specific number? This keeps you away from being tricked by answers that sound too smart but does not fit the claim. The step 3 is match the claim and eliminate the rest. Now go through the answer choices and eliminate anything that talks about the wrong topic, adds extra information, or only partially matches. Pick the one that directly confirms your predicted support and is 100% aligned with the claim. So some evident expert hacks are: pick the exact match. Do not settle for answers that are too wordy or that talk about the extra ideas that are not in the passage. The right choice will say exactly what the question asks you. Point and check. When you're looking at a chart or graph, आपने अपना finger use करना है या फिर cursor use करना है to point at the right bar ताकि आप गलत डेटा को ना पढ़ लें. इसको बिल्कुल सिंपल रखना है. You have to guess or fill in a lot of missing pieces to make an answer fit. It's probably not the right one. The best evidence slides straight into the claim. अच्छा, फिर आंसर ऑर्डरिंग. When a question describes an experiment, आपने सबसे पहले उन आंसर चॉइसेस को देखना है जो दिखा that show the actual result the researchers were testing for. For example, it got faster, it broke less often, or it worked as predicted. अपने एक्स्ट्रा डिटेल से डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होना. लाइक जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल किसी दफ़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट रन किया गया था या अदर कोई इधर उधर के फैक्ट्स. इन अदर वर्ड्स आपने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले स्कैन करना है द चॉइसेस दैट डायरेक्टली सेज दिस थिंग चेंज इन द वे द हाइपोथेसिस प्रिडिक्टेड. Later, ignore the ones that tell you extra numbers or unrelated facts. That way, you zero into the result that really proves or disproves the hypothesis. अब हम क्या करेंगे, अब हम इसको अप्लाई करेंगे. So,